trucks on the road. 10 tiny trucks in a line so neat, honking and rolling down the busy street. Each with a job, a place to go.
Let's count them now, nice and slow.
10 is Spanish, a fire truck, big and red, zooming fast with lights ahead. Whoooo goes the siren, loud and proud, helping the town, drawing a crowd. 9 is the dog truck, strong and wide, carrying rocks with dirt inside. He rumbles along with a heavy load, spilling and dumping by the side of the road. 8 is the tow truck, painted blue, pulling a car that lost a shoe.
Need a lift, he says with a grin. I'll get you back on the road again.
7 is the garbage truck, green and loud, cleaning the streets and feeling proud. Cleaning the streets and feeling proud. He chomps and crunches and drives away, keeping the town clean every day. 6 is the cement mixer, spinning slow, churning and turning everywhere he goes. His barrel turns with a sloshy beat, pouring the pavement under his feet. 5 is the delivery van, small and quick, dropping off packages pick by pick, letters, boxes, even a toy, bringing surprise, bringing joy. 4 is the ice cream truck, playing a tune, loved by kids in sunny June. Ding-a-ling and off they run, chasing cones and frozen fun. 3 is the recycling truck, sorting bins, bottles and cans and paper and spins. He cares for Earth and does his part, sorting trash with a kind heart. 2 is the flatbed, long and lean, carrying things that are tall or clean. Today it hauls a giant bear to the toy store over there. 1 is the mail truck, white and bright, delivering letters from morning to night. She waves to all with a happy cheer. Special notes are finally here. 10 tiny trucks have done their best, working hard now, time to rest. They yawn and beep, the moon shines low, off to the garage they slowly go.